Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make your photos private on Facebook. In order to change who can see your Facebook photos, just go ahead and open up your Facebook application first. Once you are inside the application, just tap on your profile icon at the top. You can also tap on the menu icon and then press on See Your Profile. Now from your profile page, scroll down and tap on Photos. From here you can access all of your photos on Facebook. Go ahead and select any photograph that you wish. Once you open it up, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then go ahead and tap on Edit Privacy. From the Edit Privacy menu, you can select who can see this photo on Facebook. If this photo is set to public, then anyone can see this photograph whether or not they're your friends on Facebook. In case you don't want even your friends to see this, just tap on Only Me. You can also choose to only show it to your friends or exclude some friends by selecting Friends or Friends Except. You can also customize whether you only want some friends to see this by typing on Specific Friends. Once you set your preferred privacy option, only these people will be able to see your photos on Facebook. So that is how you can set your photos to be private on Facebook. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.